So for developing a workshop about digital literacy, I have number one as social media. The student should be able to use all forms of social media, as in like Google Classroom, YouTube, or messaging applications, and allow the students to grow with their communication skills through their peers through social media. And then two, I have online discussion. Although like classroom discussion is important, I feel like giving students online discussion assignments via like Google Classroom or Blackboard allows them to learn how to properly interact with their peers online. And then three, I have research projects, which could arguably be the most important skill to me. Showing students how to properly do online research through the internet and apply that to assignments can affect the rest of their educational life. If they can't do it right, it can affect them forever. And then fourth, I have analysis, which is kind of like being able to tell whether information is real or fake. And it should be able to teach students the common sense on how to identify the real or fake information, which is key to their literacy skills, because if they can't identify real or fake information, then they could just be putting in false information in papers or other assignments. And then for my fifth one, I have basic knowledge, which is just like the basic knowledge of how to use a computer and how to use the internet. They should know like how a computer works and what things do what, and they should know the basic rules of the internet, like what to search, what not to search, what websites to avoid, what things to look up, and all of that stuff.